Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Babybonk coin. Now this coin is about to start their pre-sale in about 5 days or so on pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a whitelist only pre-sale, so that's why I'm doing this video, so you guys can know in advance how to get on this whitelist for the pre-sale. You got 5 whole days basically to go check this out to see if you can get on the whitelist if you want to. I'm not telling you to do anything, but if you'd like to, there is a whitelist for this pre-sale. Minimum buy for the pre-sale is going to be 0.1 BNB. Max buy is 2 BNB. You can find this listed on PinkSale in the new Launchpad list. Babybonk, all one word is the ticker symbol. Babybonk coin is the name of the token. 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply here of 999,999,999,999,999 tokens. Tokens for pre-sale, there's 300 billion tokens for pre-sale, 129.9 billion tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate for this project is $95,872. So soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 100 BNB and hard cap is going to be 200 BNB. So once it reaches 200 BNB, pre-sale is over. That's why they have the whitelist there. Usually the whitelist tokens that have a certain hard cap, they kind of have an idea that they know that they're going to sell out basically at around 200 BNB, and it happens really fast. And yeah, so if you're on the whitelist, you'll be able to get involved in the pre-sale. If not, shortly after the pre-sale's over, you'll be able to get this token on PancakeSwap. If you missed the pre-sale, if you're seeing this video late, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss new tokens. But second of all, you can still get it on PancakeSwap, and liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. Now, they do have a full audit. So they were audited by Interfi Network, and you can review the audit on PinkSale. The PDF is available. They have, for socials, they have a Telegram that you can check out at Babybonk Global. They have a Twitter at Babybonk_global. And their official webpage is babybonkcoin.com. So on PinkSale, it says, Babybonk intends to follow his father's footsteps and leave a unique mark in the crypto space. So if you're not aware, first of all, they came out with Bonk a long time ago. They have Cat Bonk. A whole bunch of Bonk coins came out a while ago, maybe a year or two ago. And I've done videos on those tokens if you want to check those out, the info on those. But those ones are older. Then they came out with a Solana one recently called, just called Bonk. And ticker symbol's Bonk, name of the token's Bonk. And that token did extremely well. And there's been a couple after. There was one I just did a video on called Bonk BSC that had a PinkSale on a pre-sale on PinkSale as well. And then now we got this one coming up, Babybonk, right? So this is kind of like, you know, baby Dogecoin, trying to be like, you know, Dogecoin. And so now we got Babybonk coin. So yeah, the Babybonk contributors were tired of Binance fudding and wanted to make fun of meme coins where everyone, a fun meme coin where everyone can get a fair shot. A deflationary token that launched fairly by the dog-loving team and community on the BNB chain with an inbuilt staking reward system for its holders. So there's going to be staking involved with this token here. Now, if you head over to their official webpage, there's a lot of different info on here. Now, I believe this is translated because it kind of reads a little bit weird, but you are able to change the language on the page here between like 15 different languages on their webpage. Tons of different flags you can click on to change the language. There's frequently asked questions, tokenomics, roadmap, there's a contact email. It's got a countdown here to their pre-sale. It says the pre-sale is coming soon, it says on their page. You can get whitelisted right on their page. If you go to babybonkcoin.com, you can see 4 different links in a little rectangle here. It says token pre-sale, join community, get airdrop, and get whitelist. So if you click on get whitelist, that's how you get involved in the pre-sale here. Now, they're partnered with CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, so they'll most likely get those listings after the pre-sale, BSC Scan, and PancakeSwap. Babybonk is all about spreading crypto love. Excuse me. The team puts community first with a competitive reward plan for its holders. We are committed to providing the community with transparency and fairness, sharing the name with their daddy Bonk. It puts the It puts the crosshairs for new investors who feel they missed out on Bonk. So they have auto reflections. They also have their tokens locked, it says, and staking rewards. Up to 150% APY, annual percentage yield, will be distributed to all stakeholders. Babybonk offers great rewards for the diamond-handed holders. Nobody has access to the liquidity tokens, and the tokens are vested, including the developer's token. And auto reflections, 5% of every transaction is redistributed to its holders. That means you can earn more Babybonk coins by holding them in your wallet. Centralized exchanges wallets may not apply tokenomics. So they have a link to their locked tokens. They also have a link to their audit report that I was talking about earlier from Interfi Network. Tokenomics, basically 4% of the tokens go to airdrops and burning, 30% pre-sale, 13% liquidity, 33% goes to staking, 10% central exchange listings, 10% community. The roadmap is on here. Stage 1 is the building phase with the coin launch, website launch, create the pre-sale, social media platforms, and tokenomics design. So that's all done. Stage 2 is the pre-sale. So they did the contract audit already. And then next is going to be pre-sale marketing and airdrop for the communities, whitelist contest, staking DApp, and then pre-sale on Pink Sale. Stage 3 is the launch phase on PancakeSwap, post-launch marketing, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and DEX tools listing and trending. Stage 4 is the growth phase with central exchange listings, SocialFi app, GameFi app, NFT collection, brand marketing, and then stage 5, to the moon, Babybonk chain launch. They're going to launch their own chain, 50,000 holders, top tier central exchanges, and top 500 market cap. So there you go. That's how you get on the whitelist. Go over to their page, babybonkcoin.com. That's all the info on this token so far. Check it out on Pink Sale. I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.